What if you could turn complex 3D models into production-ready flat patterns 5 to 10 times faster than you do right now? Today, we're breaking down the 6 core steps that make this the most efficient digital workflow. Let's dive in.
We start with a 3D model. In this example, it's already divided into pattern pieces. Those divisions define both geometry and seam logic, where seams start, stop, and split. Our first goal is simple. Don't lose that logic. ExactFlat redraws the mesh elements to capture it. This creates a 3D piece map. The piece map logs the coordinate relationships between surfaces and edges. This simple step is a huge time saver later on. Flattening in ExactFlat is different in 2 important ways. First, it accurately flattens even complex 3D surfaces. You don't have to worry about production accuracy in the final pattern. Second, ExactFlat inherits seam logic from 3D. Seam starts, stops, and splits are defined and paired automatically. They become inherent properties of the 2D pattern. We call this edge twins, and here's why it matters. Once pieces are flattened, they need to be arranged. ExactFlat does this automatically. Select an edge, and ExactFlat instantly finds the adjacent piece and places it opposite. No hunting, no manual placement, no manual pairing. Why is it so easy? Because we inherited seam relationships from the 3D piece map and preserved them during flattening. It's a huge time saver. We save time applying seam allowances in 2 ways: edge twins and templates. For individual edges, click an edge to apply. The twin edge updates instantly with the settings from the active template. No manual pairing. For groups, select a group of pieces. All edges are updated with the settings from the active template. For entire projects, use default settings. From the ExactFlat options, choose a template. Settings are applied to the entire project when converting from 3D to 2D. You can easily create new or edit existing templates. Change the values for each variable. Click to apply to activate the template. And next, click the edge to apply your settings. You can apply symmetrical values to twin edges, asymmetrical values to twin edges, and individual hems to unpaired edges. All of this can be configured from the new Pattern Edge Manager. Apply a notch to one edge. It replicates instantly on the twin edge. Create a notch chain. The full chain replicates on the twin. Add or remove notches in the chain. The twin edge updates automatically. Easily switch notches to doubles, adjust spacing, or triples. You can also change notch types. Edge twins are always in sync, and templates save time. Configure notch templates once and reuse everywhere. Seam logic inherited from 3D is a game changer. The new Notch Manager in ExactFlat 2026 makes it fast and easy. Exporting a project is usually repetitive. You set layers, line types, scales, file formats. You do this every time. ExactFlat does this differently. Export settings are stored as profiles. These are templates which store desired settings. Each profile defines exactly how your patterns are to be exported. Choose a profile and export. No reconfiguration, no mistakes, and no wasted time. ExactFlat 2026 saves you time because the workflow is fast and easy. Piece maps record relationships in 3D, and relationships create seam logic in 2D. Seam logic creates edge twins. Apply a seam or notch to an edge, and the twin edge updates instantly in perfect alignment. Templates make everything even faster. Make your patterns faster. Save time on every part. Complete more projects daily, some 5 to 10 times faster. Only in ExactFlat 2026.
Please visit our website, 3dwonders.com. If you have any question or want to see a demo, send us a message and we'll get back to you.